Halor ke Jingkam MDC ke BJP Natura Bernard and Marak bagaran ke Jingtih ia Uranium Rilum Garo. Nagal yang Menteri Rang Bak Kejalau Conrad Kongkal Sangma ulang bakam dan setia kanu kanu kakam lani ke Saki lani ke Jingtip ke Bapeni bakum kene kakam kelayat ke Kathan. Bad ulah kentu inu MDC Banuan Cakamat bad ke Jingtip ke Babenia kena yang baka sorkar kan yo le ai no mardor la dan shisha ya ki Saki ke Babiang. Ulong bagi nong yalam ki badoni ke jingkit klik kemdai ban cukran tang namar bakwa ban paukuman etang ban syuyok ban keren. Bad lada dai ke basisha dai ban wan cakamat rengkat ki jingtip ki bapenia bad ki sakhi bak sorkar kan dai ke banikong e ban lai. Ulah pen pauru bak sorkar kan yang skam makanong rem ban persya ya ke jingtemu ban ti ya uranium.
There is no any kind of activity or any kind of evidence or any kind of information that has to reflect that any kind of such activity is going on. Leaders in responsible positions should not just come out with statements just because they want to grab attention or maybe just make a statement. If it is the case, then definitely it's a matter of concern. And if it is so, let him come out with the details and the proof. And definitely, if there is any such problem that's happening, Government of Meghalaya will be the first one to act on it. I have made our position very clear that we are very firm that uranium mining should not take place. And there could be situations where some incidents could be there which may not have come to the notice of the government. So if there is, and if the evidence is there, and if information is there, then please give that to us and we'll be more than happy to act and take necessary action on it. I just want to also take this opportunity, I forgot to mention, that we have also cleared an amount of 79.5 crores to the Garo Hills Autonomous District Council today, out of which about 11 crores is their dues, which is there right now with us, and the rest of the 68.5 crores is an advance we're giving towards their share of royalty from the future. And so 79.5 crores has been sanctioned and money has been released to the escrow account. As you all know, an escrow account is a fancy name, but it's an account which is, in a way meant to be very, very particular for the salary disbursement, and an account which will be obviously, as I said, monitored in a manner so that the funds are used only for the salary purpose. So this has been done, and with this amount, the district council now will be in a position to release the 12 months backlog for their employees.